How are y'all doing today? I'm Nathan Gordon, Nathan Stone Gordon. Uh, sorry, but the reason I'm interested, or the reason I'm enrolled in broadcasting right now, is because it's something I've always been interested in. I've been through a bunch of different courses and classes trying to find out what my niche is, and I think I found it with broadcasting. Tried criminal justice, which I mean, it helps me out. I've learned a bunch of different laws and stuff, but that didn't hold my interest. And then I tried business. I was doing business management for a while, and that was fun, but it's kind of boring as well. It's not something that really held my interest, and that's an issue with me. If I don't find it interesting, I don't bother wasting my time doing it. So that's kind of a bad combination when you're trying to, work stuff out with school. And so if you don't find it interesting and you don't do the schoolwork, you probably fail. And that. So luckily I found broadcasting and it's something I'm actually interested in. I actually want to be a producer when I grow up. But I've always been interested in music. It kind of helps me I don't know, because my mind's always like jambled up, and whenever I'm listening to music, it helps me actually concentrate and focus on like one thing. And it's just something that I've always wanted to do. I love music. I can't, if I had the choice between like going blind or going deaf, I'd go blind because, a day without music is, well, that's my own definition of hell. Can't make it throughout without my life without having some type of music, whether it's rock, rap, anything. I love it, all around the spectrum. It's just always what I've been interested in. So that's me.